So if I do a search for fluorescent organs, it produces the results for fluorescent organs. If we go down past the local search results, here down to the text results, so we can see in these results here that Kendall's Florist is first, Flowerbox and Organs is second, and Lily Alley is third, etc., etc. Now you might think that you can establish your site's ranking for a keyword by simply searching on Google. However, the challenge with this approach is very hard for an individual to do on a personal computer or a phone. This is because the amount of personalization on the search results. For example, Google tends to deliver personalized results to people based on thousands of factors, including their device, where they are, their language, and their browsing history. Personalizing results makes them more useful to end users, but it makes tracking keywords much more difficult. Two people may never see the same order of results. A workaround is to use an incognito browser tab. So if you click here and then do incognito tab, so if we then do the same search for fluorescent organs, we should get some results which strip out the personalization, giving you more of a kind of neutral view of what your actual ranking is. So that technique I've just shown you works if you just want to track a few keywords. If you want to track keywords in bulk, you need to use a tool. Now, there are plenty of paid-for tools out there, but Google has its own free tool called Google Search Console, which will give you information about your ranking. So I've logged into Google Search Console for my site, venlab.com. I've gone to the Performance tab, which shows us a whole lot of metrics about the site. Google Search Console will give you an overall average position. So it's saying that this website, the average position is 51.3 across all the different search results it has. And down here, you have results for the individual search terms. So here we have the search term here, and then the position here on the right-hand side. According to Google, this position metric is its attempt to where a result will be given on the page relative to other results average across all users. So now this will only just give you a position result at a particular period in time. You can download these results by clicking export here at the top right-hand side, and you can obviously put that in a spreadsheet and then track it over time. So I'm just going to take one of these search terms. Let's take this selling application for catalog authorization from here. And I'm just going to put that into an incognito tab and do a search for it. And let's just see what the ranking is. So 1, 2, 3. Well, here it's actually number 4. So anyway, it shows you it's a little bit, it can vary from user to user what the search results are. But it's certainly for this search term, that website is on the first page.